guys, it's Valentine. Would you like to play a game with me? This is called a Find It game. These are all the items that we have to find. And I've got my pen. So let's get started. I see an umbrella. What about this star? Okay, let's keep looking. Let's look at the other side. Ooh, there's a pretty yellow bow. Oh, what's up here? Those kind of look like ballerina slippers. Let's cross them off just in case we don't see them again. So there's a blue bead. I'm going to bet that that's the sapphire on here. And we know we already found the ruby too. So I'm gonna cross off sapphire and ruby. What is this one? Oh, it's a cute little purse. There's another one right there. That kind of looks like a pink poodle. Right there, that kind of looks like nail polish. Oh, this kind of works if we shake. Oh my gosh, we found a couple things. That one right there looks like a mirror. And that one kind of looks like a hairbrush. I think the bristles are pointing down. That one looks like a little chair. There isn't a chair, but there is a throne. And it does look like a throne because it looks pretty fancy. That looks like a little suitcase. Now there's something right there and something right there. So let's see if we can find those without burying them. I don't know what that one is, but this one's a heart. All right, let's give this a good shake. Did we see this one before? This is a flower. This looks like a ring right here. We'll be gentle. Oh goodness. We're finding some more. Okay, we already found the umbrella and the heart and the flower and the tiara. This looks like a little cat. Oh, he got buried again. And a ring. Let's cross those off before we forget. And here's the emerald. We'll cross that one off. We already found those. We already found the ballerina slippers. I wonder what that is. Ooh. Bird. There's the top of the brush that we saw before. This is new though. What is that? Ooh, it's tricky. I lost it. If we look at the other side, these just popped up. Cell phone and the music player. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it looks like a little carriage that like a horse would pull. I know it looks more like a lawnmower, but you'll have to trust me. Oh, it's a horse. Pony. There's also a button right here. There's also a diary right here. Okay, let's give it a good shake. Maybe we'll roll it. Oh, look at the butterfly and the hair dryer. This is so much fun. I'm so glad that you're playing with me. not sure what that is. Oh, kind of looks like perfume. I think we're seeing the backside of it. Oh yeah, it's a shoe. And all that shaking also brought up this flip-flop. Ooh, and a key right there too. Do you see the key? These are definitely lips. There's a curling iron. It kind of looks like glasses. They are glasses. We're almost done. Oh, there's the diamond. Oh, did we see that before? That's the dress. And then a hat. Okay, what is that? I think it might be the bobby pin. Oh, I lost it. It took me forever, but I finally found the lipstick. I'm pretty sure that we saw this part of it, just the top part. So let's go ahead and cross it off. So this is definitely the other side of the bobby pin. I actually found the pearl. I've been looking for almost an hour, and I finally found the penny. I am super frustrated. I've been looking for the princess and the cupcake for hours. The princess, I think I've seen. It's a very small disc, and it's hanging out with the penny, and no matter what I do, I can't get it. The cupcake, I haven't seen at all, and at this point, I don't think it exists. I did something a little drastic. So the item that I suspected was the princess is in fact the princess, but is also the cupcake. These two items were really close to each other constantly, and so is the bobby pin, kind of causing like a log jam and making it impossible. I spent hours. So let's take a look at everything. So let's look at our list again. Here are the ballet slippers, the puppy, the mirror, the umbrella, the butterfly, the heart, the princess, the cell phone, the perfume, curling iron, the ring, the bobby pin, the dress, the emerald, the star, the flower, the purse, the nail polish, the pearl, the button, the shoe, the pony, the kitten, the sunglasses, the lips, the flip-flop, the music player, the hair dryer, the hat, the tiara, the cupcake, the key, the throne, the carriage, the bird, the hairbrush, the diamond, the ruby, and the sapphire, the diary, the suitcase, the lipstick, the penny, and the bow. Guess what? We found all the items. We just had to crack this open.